Yeah. Listen, mine's breaking already, though. Like, I'm determined to dip this as a log. Hold on. I got to. This, I don't know. This might be a little too big. Wait a minute. Just the one. Trust me, okay? Get some caramel macchiato. Okay, here we go. Hit. Like, it was good already with just the milk, but when you add that macchiato, 5 stars. Y'all been sleep on them churros, but let me tell you something. Me? Oh, I'm gonna get down. Hold on. If you gonna do it, you might as well do it right. If I could do it. Just stick with the cookie.